So, welcome back. We need to do a matter of quartile deviation, which is not also hard. It's not. If you have done a median, it's not hard. The element model of median is what we use. Now, I hope umenunua nyama quarter. Quarter is about 4. 1/4, such a thing. So here we want to calculate. It's not standard deviation. Let me rub. It's about quartile deviation. It's about quartile deviation. In quartile deviation, we have what we call upper quartile and lower quartile. We have what we call upper quartile, which is Q3, and lower quartile, which is Q1. Q3, upper quartile, lower quartile. So if you are asked to calculate quartile deviation, the QD is equals to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. That's how we arrive to QD. But the major thing is to get this Q3 and Q1. Again, we shall need item. Q3, it is 3n/4. That's the item that we shall need. To get the around, the place, the location where it is. Q1 item will be just n/4. n/4. Hapo ndio mahali itakuwa. So, go back and calculate the CF. You remember median, we had CF. Same to quartile deviation, we are going to have CF. Our CF, 3, add 5 is 8, 8 add 8 is 16, 16 add 10 is 26. Sasa, our n is 26. So here, for us to get Q1, it will be 26 divided by 4. That is nearly 7 or 6 point something. Yeah, 6.5. Let me say so, but you'll do it. Then Q3 is 3n. So 3 times 26 divided by 4. So if I have here 6.5, which I can say is 7 times 3. So the item here, it is 21 item. Here, it is 7 item. So go to me the 7th item iko hapa. It is contained kwa 8. Ndani ya 8. So nitatumia hii kutafuta Q1. Imagine, I'll use that. So our L 10 plus difference 10, frequency 5 into brackets item 7 minus the upper cumulative yenye iko juu yake, the upper cumulative frequency, which is 3. That's how we shall calculate for Q1. 10 plus the difference, see, I is the difference between these two. Frequency is 5. Then item, mm is item minus the upper CF. Maze itatupatia Q1. Since the item is 21 here, I'll come and 21 is contained here. So I will underline this and say my Q3 will come out of this. In fact, the Q3 is between 30 and 40. Is between 30 and 40. Your Q3 will be between 30 and 40. But how? Remember L plus I over F into brackets M minus C. Remember that. So 30 plus I is the difference, which is 10, over the frequency, which is 10 into brackets item. M here is the item, 21 minus The preceding, C ni ile iko juu yake, cumulative yenye iko juu yake. C ndio tume underline yenye iko juu yake. 16. Itatupatia Q3. Yenye nikifanya this is 1 times 5 plus that. So our Q3 is equals to 35. Our Q1, this is 2. 2 times 4, 8 plus that. Our Q1 is equals to 18. Our Q1 is equals to 18. If you do it well. Therefore, get the QD. Get the QD. Therefore, QD, which is 35 minus 18 divided by 2. So this is about what? 17. 17 divided by 2. Which is equals to 7 point blah blah. Sorry, it is 8. 8 point blah blah. That's our quartile deviation. So, thank you very much. This is very important. I'm going to send one either from me, either from mod or median, or a matter of quartile deviation. So our mathematics lesson is over. So enjoy the rest of your night. I'm going to send, once I reach the destination, I'm going to send a work that you're going to do tonight.